obesity and antibiotic resistance, two of the most pressing global health challenges of our time. In 2022, the World Health Organization reported that 43% of the global adult population is overweight, 16% are classified as obese. At the same time, antibiotic-resistant superbugs are emerging, threatening lives worldwide. But what happens when these two crises intersect? A new international study has revealed that obesity can interfere with how antibiotics work, altering absorption, effectiveness, and excretion in the body. Antibiotics have been in use for over 80 years, but only now have researchers begun to develop specific guidelines for how to prescribe these drugs to patients with obesity. Why? Because obesity changes the body in complex ways: increased fat mass, impaired kidney or liver function, and altered drug metabolism, especially in key enzymes like cytochrome P450, can all lead to higher or lower drug concentrations than expected. For example, a standard antibiotic dose might not be enough to treat an infection in an obese patient, or it might be too much, risking toxicity. To tackle this, a team of scientists from around the world reviewed over 6,000 studies. They narrowed it down to 128 key studies, analyzing how obesity affects different classes of antibiotics. The result? New guidelines. For aminoglycosides, drugs like gentamicin or streptomycin used to treat serious infections, weight-based dosing is now recommended. For glycopeptides like vancomycin, individualized dosing with close monitoring is critical to balance effectiveness and avoid harm. But not all antibiotics require changes. For beta-lactams, including penicillins and cephalosporins, the evidence doesn't support routine dose adjustments based on weight. For fluoroquinolones, such as ciprofloxacin, the data is less clear, but higher doses may be needed for deep-seated infections. These guidelines are the result of a global collaboration, bringing together scientists from Europe, the US, Australia, and beyond. Their message is clear: one-size-fits-all dosing doesn't work for everyone. Obesity is a factor that must be considered when treating infections. As antibiotic resistance continues to grow, optimizing how we use these life-saving drugs is more important than ever. Obesity-specific dosing guidelines are a crucial step forward, ensuring that patients of all body sizes receive safe and effective treatment. Thank you for watching. Stay informed, stay healthy.